Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace and my channel's name is Graycylyn. If you're tuning for the first time, you are welcome. So today's video is basically going to be teeny tiny things that dramatically improve my skin. When I tell you that tiny decisions, daily decisions can basically improve your skin, and this video is definitely going to highlight those things I did personally that just transformed my skin in a gradual process. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First thing I would say is sunscreen. Sunscreen had quite an improvement to my skin. If you have issues with hyperpigmentation, you have dark spots, sunscreen should be your friend. Whether you're sitting down in your house or whether you're going out, so far as there's some sort of sun rays around, you should be covered with sunscreen. Personally, I use the Fenty sunscreen that has a moisturizer, and it says a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Another one I recommend is the Missha 50 plus sunscreen. It is super light, and for those who have oily skin, it's just magic for you. So there's so many kinds of sunscreens out there. There's a gel consistency, there's a cream-like consistency, there are also some that are kind of a mixture of both, and you also have the spray sunscreen. So whichever one you feel comfortable with, please, by all means, sunscreen. If you want to reduce your hyperpigmentation, sunscreen. The second thing I'm going to say is stop using your bath soap on your face. I know this one is going to cause a lot of controversy. Like, personally, when I stopped using my bath soap on my face, I could see the difference. Like, I could see the difference. Most of us, our bath soaps are basically in the block consistency, and the block consistency has had a record of being a breeding ground for bacteria. Personally, I don't use my bath soap on my face. Like, you will never catch me do that. I currently have a cleanser that I use for my face that is acne specific, and so I always use that to cleanse my face. I don't use, you will never see me use my bath soap on my face. Like, that's not even going to happen. The next thing I'm going to say is stop using super hot water. So some people would always advise that you wash your face in the sink. Personally, I cannot commit to that. I wash my face whilst I'm having my bath. Sue me. I wash my face whilst I'm having my bath, but the thing I do is that I try to alternate the temperature. So the temperature I use in washing from my neck down is not the same temperature I use in washing from my neck, from my chin up, right? So do well to check not the consistency, the temperature in the water that you use to wash your face. If it's too hot, it has a way of breaking your skin a bit more. Hot water also has a way of drying out your skin. And if you're oily, the last thing you want to erase from your face is the natural oils that are being produced. Because if you disrupt the natural oils that are being produced in your face wants to compensate more by producing even more, and then more breakouts, and you're causing more harm than good. I understand you love the flow of the water, but if you really want to dramatically change your face or change your skin, then you can't be using hot water on your face. I think the next point is physical exfoliant. I don't know why anyone would want to use physical exfoliant on their face. Personally, I feel like it's one of the most ridiculous things you can do to your face, one of the most harmful things you can do to your face. Physical exfoliants have a way of, I don't know, it's just wrong. Like I said, I understand you're taking out dead skin layers from your face, but at the same time, physical exfoliant and over exfoliating your face has a way of drying and stripping your face from the natural oils. Some people exfoliate every single day, and I don't know why. Is your face a rug? We are trying to make sure that the skin barrier is protected and is preserved, and that way your face is not being stripped of its natural oils. Physical exfoliating your face also helps bring out wrinkles and fine lines. So I don't know why you would want to do that. Personally, I stopped physically exfoliating my face a long time ago. what I do is I use chemical exfoliants, BHAs, AHAs, when I want to exfoliate my face. And I don't exfoliate every week. I actually exfoliate every 2 weeks because my face is precious to me. Now, this one might be very, very tiny, but I feel like this was one of the major things that transformed my skin, which is the fact that stop using your body towel to clean your face. Let me say one more time. Stop using your body towel to wipe your face. Remember that towel goes to places. It cleans, you get it. So why would you want to take microorganisms from their dwelling place to another dwelling place? Or wrong now. Do well to get a separate towel or towels that you can use in wiping your face. Also, wash your towels regularly. The ones you're using for your face, wash it regularly. Like get is a pack of, I don't think it's usually a pack of 6 or a pack of 5. Or if you don't have that kind of time, then wash your towels at least. Use it like 3 days and then you wash it off, and then 3 days and then you wash it off. Naturally, you're supposed to wash your towels every day, but that's not realistic. So that being said, personally, I have a separate towel for my face that I use in wiping my face, and I don't use it for any other part of my body. So that alone, I feel like changed a lot in the entire process. The next thing I'm going to say is moisturizing your body. I've heard people who are oily say, I get too oily, I can't moisturize my body. One of the secrets to having a glass skin is moisturizing your face. I understand you have to moisturize down because usually from my neck down is actually dry. So I have to moisturize. And then from my chin up is oily. That being said, when I started moisturizing my face, I realized that it was getting a lot smoother. The roughness on my face started reducing. And I could see like the bumpiness, the texture changed. So I would attribute a lot of my better appearance now to moisturizing my face. So do well to moisturize your face. Like I said, there's so many consistencies. The oily skin people like myself usually gravitate towards gel-like consistency because it's very light and at the same time it's very moisturizing. I will link down below moisturizers that personally I recommend. Next thing I'm going to say is water. Water has a way of naturally detoxifying your skin. It's good for your kidneys, it's good for your liver, it's basically good for your body. So do well to drink water, and also research based on your body size, because there's a water intake for every body size. I think height to weight ratio. Do well to research that so you know the amount of water you're supposed to consume in a day. If your body is not up to a gallon a day, don't go and be drinking 1 gallon and kill yourself. Finally, eat fruits. Fruits, before you buy your papaya soap, citrus plants based cleanser, eat it. These fruits are, and I'm pretty sure they're a lot cheaper than what we buy in the stores. Personally, I love to juice my fruits because I get bored easily. So I juice my fruits, no additives, just the juice, just the liquid from the juice, and then I sieve it and I drink, and it's so refreshing. It's better than any soft drink out there. Yeah, the papaya soap you want to buy the pawpaw and eat. Buy the orange and eat. Buy your fruits and eat. If you don't eat your fruits, I don't know. Like, aside the fact that your skin will be clearer, it's also great. It gives you enough vitamins to fight day-to-day issues in your body. Your body's fighting germs and bacteria, all that jazz. You need fruits. So in as much as you're trying to achieve a clearer skin, how about you boost your immune system in the process? Now, I think this should have been the first point, but I'm just going to say it because we are trying to cover all the points. I'm not going to assume. Shower twice a day. You cannot want to have clear skin and you don't want to bath. Like, how is that even possible? You cannot desire a clear skin and not shower. Like, I don't care if you went out and came back or the temperature isn't. Shower cleans your body. It's relaxing, it's refreshing, it keeps you in a good mood. Like, having a bath has a way of just keeping you calm and focused and relaxed all in one. Also, I know you guys are not going to like this one, but it is the truth. If you work out, you're going to have clearer skin. Personally, I've lost about 20 to 30 pounds, which is about 10 to 15 kg. And I noticed that exercising has a way of just making you feel good. It clears up my skin. It just makes me feel a lot better, and I think I should jump back into the wagon because I have almost fallen off. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope this helps you in some way. Till I come your way next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.